Have you ever wondered how to tap into that hidden potential within you? Today, we're diving into 5 science-backed hacks that can do just that. We live in an age of information overload, where it's easy to get lost in a sea of advice. But fear not, we've carefully curated these tips, each grounded in scientific research to ensure they're not just fluff, but tools you can trust. From boosting focus with the Pomodoro technique to relieving stress with deep breathing exercises, from getting better sleep to enhancing learning through active recall, and finally, fostering gratitude for a happier life. Each of these hacks holds the power to bring about transformative changes in your life. It's all about taking small, consistent steps towards personal growth, and these hacks are your stepping stones. So are you ready to unlock your full potential? Let's dive in. First on our list is the Pomodoro technique, a time management method developed by Francesco Cirillo. Imagine having a tomato-shaped kitchen timer, a symbol of this technique. Here's how it works. You choose a task, set the timer for 25 minutes, and work uninterrupted until the timer rings. Then, reward yourself with a short 5-minute break. After completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. The beauty of this technique lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It encourages focus, reduces procrastination, and enhances productivity by breaking work into manageable chunks. It's not magic, but science. Studies show that frequent breaks can increase mental agility. The Pomodoro technique aligns perfectly with our natural attention span and offers a rhythmic work-break cycle that can keep you motivated and prevent burnout. So, why not give the Pomodoro technique a try and see how your productivity skyrockets? Next up is a simple yet powerful hack: deep breathing exercises. Imagine this. You're sitting comfortably, your eyes gently closed. You inhale, filling your lungs with fresh air. You hold it for a moment, then exhale, releasing any tension. This is deep breathing, a practice that can be done anywhere, anytime. Now let's dive into the science. When you take a deep breath, your brain gets the message that all is well. It then sends signals to your body to slow down your heart rate and relax your muscles. This simple act stimulates the vagus nerve, which plays a key role in your body's rest and digest system. It's like hitting a reset button on your stress levels. Various studies have shown that deep breathing can help reduce anxiety and promote feelings of calm. It's a tool that's always with you, ready to help you navigate life's challenges. Remember, when stress levels rise, take a deep breath and watch them fall. Moving on to our third hack, let's talk about sleep. Not just any sleep, but quality sleep. Now you might wonder, what's the big deal about a consistent sleep schedule? Well, science tells us that a consistent sleep schedule helps regulate our body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. This rhythm affects everything from our mood to our metabolism, and it thrives on consistency. When we hit the hay and rise with the sun at the same times each day, our bodies respond by improving the quality of our sleep. Better sleep leads to increased energy, sharper focus, and even a more positive mood. That's the magic of sleep hygiene. But remember, it's not just about when you sleep, but also how you prepare for sleep. A relaxing bedtime routine can signal to your body that it's time to wind down and get ready for a restful night. So, starting tonight, let's prioritize sleep and wake up to a healthier, happier you. Our fourth hack is a learning technique that has been proven to boost memory retention: active recall. Imagine your brain as a web of information. Each time you learn something new, a fresh strand weaves into the web. Active recall is about strengthening these strands, making them easier to access when you need them. So how does it work? Instead of simply rereading your notes or textbooks, which is a passive form of learning, active recall encourages you to actively test your knowledge. Ask yourself questions or explain the concept out loud without looking at your notes. This way, you're not just recognizing the information, but retrieving it from your memory. Research has shown that active recall strengthens the neural pathways associated with specific information, making it easier to recall in the future. It's not about cramming, it's about making your learning more efficient and effective. With active recall, make forgetting a thing of the past and enhance your learning journey. Last but not least, let's explore a tool that can boost your happiness quotient: a gratitude journal. This simple yet powerful practice involves jotting down things you're grateful for each day. It could be as grand as achieving a milestone or as simple as a delicious meal. The magic lies in the act of acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of life. Now, you might be wondering, why gratitude journaling? Well, science has our back on this. Studies show that this practice can increase your overall sense of well-being, reduce stress, and even improve your sleep. It's a way to rewire your brain to focus more on the positive and less on the negative. Getting started is easy. All you need is a journal and a few minutes each day. Write down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for, and over time, you'll see a shift in your mindset. So grab a journal, start writing, and let gratitude fill your life. And there you have it. 5 science-backed hacks to supercharge your life. We've explored the Pomodoro technique for laser focus, deep breathing exercises for stress relief, the power of a consistent sleep schedule for restful nights, active recall for effective learning, and the impact of gratitude journaling on your overall happiness. These are more than just tips. They are tools to equip you for a fulfilling journey. The real magic happens when you implement these hacks into your daily routine. We encourage you to try them out, and we're eager to hear about your experiences. Every step, no matter how small, is progress. So step out of your comfort zone and watch your life transform. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing content. Now go out there and empower your life with these amazing hacks.